adjust fire towards the right and knock out their arsenal.
Yes, sir.
Dang it. Missed.
This is Vulture. What is it?
Reports in that the popcorn is popping and the hot dog is ready for mustard.
Hold the mustard. Launch Operation Daytime.
Yes, sir. Alright, we have orders. Let's lay down the smoke screen.
No. Send out the order.
That's the order. Is the aircraft ready for takeoff? The aircraft is almost ready. Wait, what are you doing with that utility belt? Well, obviously, it's for holding this flare gun and fireworks sword. Where did you get that parachute? I know some people. Now, could you remove the back seat cushion and hand me that radio over there? It just seems like you're taking a big risk here. I mean, what if the bureaucrats were to find out about
Bureaucrats?
this? Nah, don't worry about it. You don't need a license to fly an ultralight. That may be so, but there are still many other rules and regulations you are forgetting. That's enough, Lars. Somebody has to do this. Somebody has to be awesome. Also, I'm an AOBA member. What's that? The Association of Bureaucrat Admonishers. Contact!